A 91% disposal rate on average across district, state and national consumer commissions may seem impressive, but activists and lawyers say that compliance is a major issue. We spoke to Justice AP Bhangale, President of the Maharashtra State Consumer Commission, to find out what steps were being taken to ensure that the Commission's orders were being complied with. Let's listen in.
We have given priority to execution proceedings because if final order is passed and it is not executed, then consumer remains unsatisfied. The object of the act is to satisfy the consumer that final order is finally obeyed by the opposite party.
Justice Bhangale also told me about an interesting spin that he had put on sentencing and imprisonment at the Maharashtra State Commission.
Under ordinary criminal law, suppose if offender is guilty of theft or criminal misappropriation or say robbery, then he is sentenced to jail and he has to undergo the entire sentence. Here in our case, what happens, if he is sentenced to jail and if he is still ready and willing to obey the final order, then he will cease to be a criminal in that sense. Therefore, as soon as he complies with the final order, the object of the act itself is fulfilled and he can be released forthwith from the jail.
Tortious and prolonged procedural measures have often meant that the trial process is long drawn out, but the yardsticks being applied at the State Commission are different. The President explains.
Strict criminal procedure, strict provisions, compliance is not necessary. We are not considering the provisions of procedure strictly, maybe Civil Procedure Code or Evidence Act or Criminal Procedure Code. We only want to follow the principles of natural justice, and once both parties are heard before us, then we can pass suitable order so that object of the act to protect consumers has to be fulfilled.